is we had to change the image of manufacturing because everybody thought it's old, it's dead. This can put up to 600 pounds, of course. You may run it 100,000 times to see what happens. We've got over 1,500 customers in 32 countries in all 50 states. It's crazy. If you're doing hemp biofilm, there's got to be a way that you can extrude that.
Yes, we did. In fact, we gave Rand Paul a Statue of Liberty made out of 3D hemp.
Well, from hemp to Kevlar, we've run on these machines. We can do an hour's, whatever it takes, months worth of exposure outside. We can test for antimicrobial. That will actually test for surgical compression garments. We can test durability. We can pull up to 11,000 pounds on that tensile tester back. You know, people doing military business, some of the automotive.
To show the surface area of the hemp capacitor versus the graphene one.
So solving issues when we try to figure out how to make it softer. Why is it not as, why is this one not as soft as that one, or why won't it die? So we started real small with entrepreneurs, and remember, we're about jobs. Prototype. Oh, there you go.
Right.
Oh my God!
That looks similar.
This actually comes from about 8 miles away.
Really?
Yeah, I can't tell you how to get there.
I bought these in Pagosa Springs, Colorado.
Wow.
And I saw them in Vermont.
Well, that's where she started. That's where she started. It's Marianne Wakeler, and she's one of the nicest ladies you ever want to meet. So you're looking at close to 30, 40 people employed by just this one little site that I thought would never do it. 4 machines. This is why you help folks in other places. Where they don't have, there's only a couple of sock manufacturers in Colorado, and they didn't have the right type of machines. Well, where do we have most of it? Right here in North Carolina. And he actually bought 4 machines and set it up in a local company right here at $160,000. So yeah, it was well worth helping somebody there because it helps create jobs here. TSA, they made her take her shoes off, and when she did, she was wearing, it was cold, and she was wearing her dad's white socks underneath her fashionable boots. She said, I want to make socks on the bottom of my tights, and so that it fits inside the boot and look, it still feels good. It works in a trade show like you wouldn't believe. She's unbelievable. So, you know, we've had stuff on Discovery Channel. Both of our first incubators doubled their space in the first 2 months. If I had beautiful walls, well, I'm back in construction. I don't want to be in construction. So we can move these around and go in different